Every process begins where nature grows strongest.
Good thickness, no blemishes. Agreed. Let's cut. Ready when you are. Only the healthiest stems are chosen for extraction. Precision cutting preserves the inner fiber structure. Extraction begins with careful manual separation. The flow from field to facility begins here. From field paths to industrial routes, efficiency increases. This is where raw material becomes engineered product. Inside these walls, precision replaces unpredictability.
Stop, aligner. Reversing now.
The transition from transport to processing begins now. From here, everything is controlled, measured, and refined. The first step inside is removing everything unwanted. Water and motion begin the purification process. Every layer is washed with controlled intensity. Moisture is reduced before the next stage begins. Pressure removes what water alone cannot. Only uniform material is allowed to proceed. Ensures consistency in every output. Final cleaning prepares the material for transformation. Consistency is built through continuous motion. Uniformity is controlled at every step. Structure is locked in before transformation. The next stage pushes precision even further. Transformation begins under controlled pressure. Heat locks the structure into permanence. Every sheet meets exact dimensional standards. Continuity ensures efficiency at scale. From here, automation takes control. Automation begins with precise alignment. Sensors maintain consistency without interruption. Controlled feeding ensures uninterrupted production. Continuous motion drives industrial efficiency. Synchronization keeps the entire system balanced. Guided flow eliminates deviation. Automation refines consistency at scale. The final stages now shape the finished product. Precision cutting defines the final form. Final alignment prepares for inspection. Stacking organizes the finished output. Every piece must pass strict quality standards.
Stacks are in position. Proceeding with inspection.
Inspection begins before approval.
Surface looks smooth, no marks. Confirmed. Clear to proceed.
Every surface is checked for perfection. Only approved material continues the process. Samples are tested for deeper analysis. Moisture levels must remain controlled. Approval clears the path to final delivery. The final stage is now within reach. Protection ensures safe handling and transport. Sealing locks the product in place. Identification completes the packaging process. Stacking organizes the final output. Storage ensures readiness for distribution.
Bring it forward, steady. Got it. A little to the right. Okay, set it down. Good. Next one.
And this is how modern factories produce banana stem fiber from start to finish.